Hi, welcome to Sketch Safari. Today we're going to be drawing an insect, and it's my favorite. It's a dragonfly. I like dragonflies, but not flies. Flies are disgusting. So today we're going to draw a dragonfly step by step. You need these colors that I'm going to show you when we start the video. And so let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. First we need a pencil, some paper, and some black, and yellow, blue, green, any color you want, because dragonflies are colorful. It's your dragonfly, not mine. So let's get started. So first we are gonna do an oval. It used to be light though, because two ovals, like circles, I mean. Right, like here. And then we can darken those in. And then we're gonna put some bumps right here. And then later we're gonna put darken two eyelids right there and put another, but don't darken that. That looks cute so far. So let's get tiny lines right here. And like this, and then later we're gonna put another oval right here and put some circles right here like that. And then we're gonna do all that. Put some lines here. You can do whatever you want your dragonfly to look like. And then we're going to put a line right here and then connect them for a little loop right there. And then we're going to do the arms and legs. So first we're going to make a line like right here and another. 3 lines are an insect. So we're going to put another line which is going to be like right this below it. And that's how your dragonfly is going to look like. And make you have a diamond, so the other one you're gonna space out. You need to have 2. And then later you can do any design on the tail. And then now we're gonna do the wings. Dragonflies have different wings, so if you do your wings wrong, it's okay. And just go back to the video, because to slow it down, I might make a mistake right here, because it's a hard one. I'm gonna put a line right there, and put right here, like this. This you can put some lines in, space it out like that. Do what makes you happy with your dragonfly. And then now we're gonna do the same thing right here. Okay, so now it's time to color. Okay, so that was it. Did your dragonfly look good? We did step by step. And remember to like and subscribe, because I am gonna fly away. Bye!